Hola amigos, welcome to El Cocktaizer time, the sweetest time of the day. Today at Nachos, we're gonna prepare this delicious sangria, which is full of 5 different liquors with a lot of fruit, and also we're gonna teach you how to do our signature nachos, which is El Tito's nachos, which is full of a lot of yummy ingredients. So stay tuned. Recorded raspberry, peach schnapps, brandy, triple sec, bottle of prosecco, and fruits, vodka-infused pineapple, orange juice, cranberry juice, pineapple juice. Hi amigos, so here we have the Cocktaizer time, our cocktail guillermina, which is a delicious margarita, and our Tito's nachos, which is an amazing appetizer. So remember, the sweetest time of the day is Cocktaizer time, cocktails and appetizers. And don't forget to follow me in all the media outlets, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it, we have it.